What a cool intro, especially if you're singing Josie's on a Vacation Far Away. It's Your Love by the Outfield, and I'm Steve, and I'm going to teach it to you in under 3 minutes because 5-minute or 20-minute guitar lessons on YouTube for a song like this are ridiculous. So we begin here with an E major with no capo, but of course what makes it iconic is you play the bar chord version of that. You know, that finger on the 7th fret of the A string and the 9th fret of the D string right there, and go. Got some palm muting going on. Go down 3 frets, let me see, yeah, 3 frets to the C sharp minor, to the B chord, B major. But you're really just playing those low notes, you know? Releasing the palm muting on those little emphasis notes. And slide it back up. Do it again. And then the song explodes. You know? Sort of take that bar chord, hit most of it, and slide it all the way down. And then it goes into the verse, you know? Just wanna, well, anyway, so many good things. I don't know the words. We basically just learned it, the verses. You know, stay under cover. Then it goes into A major. But if you take that note, the B string off the A major, it goes, I just want a C sharp minor to B major. C sharp minor, I don't want a A major, lose your love, B major. And then it does, you know, starts it over again. It goes right back to the verse, same thing. So it goes from E to C sharp minor, really the low notes, to B, you know, and does that again and again, and then until it, you know, ends up with, I just wanna, that's A without that B string. A major, C sharp minor, B, I just wanna lose your love tonight, you know. Back to C sharp minor, I don't wanna, A, B major, and then for the cool little bridge in the middle, it sounds harder than it is. It goes G, dun 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 dun, you know, G to A, bum, 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 G, try to stop my hands from shaking on A major, G, and it just does G to A, G to A, G to A over and over again. So check that out. And then at the end, you know, it goes, is that again, it goes right back into the verse, and then, you know, once again the chorus, I don't want to lose your love tonight, and it does that over and over and over again until the whole song just fades out, and you get out your lighter and you're like, yes, 80s rock. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. Hit like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll catch you next time for some more 3-minute lessons with Steve. See ya.